Hello there, and welcome to the digest. And my name is Coach Gilbert. So today I want to talk about a common aspect that we all know. The aspect of self-talk. And what is self-talk? Self-talk is what we give ourselves that then will be able to shift our mentality from a bondage or from this past old mentality to a new you that will be able to shift your paradigm in terms of your mentality, in terms of your actions, into moving into a positive direction. And why is self-talk important? Number one, because it helps you to be able to shed off your old you, to become new person that can be able to take some new actions that will positively impact you. But also number two is because it gives you a chance to really redefine the person that you want. Self-talk really gives you a chance to redefine the positive person that you want to be moving forward. So there are five key levels that you need to be able to understand. But more so importantly is for you to be able to move gradually from the lowest level to the top level. And the lowest level is the level where we keep on saying that I can't, I wish I could. And this is the level where you've already accepted your negativity. And you believe that you can't do anything. You believe that you wish you could, that this is who you are. You already believe that you have your limitation. And this is one lowest level that you need to be able to move and shift into the next level, which is the level that you recognize that there is need for change, but you still have your limitations and negative mindset. And this is where you say, I need to, I should to, I ought to. So this is also one level that you need to be able to start running away from, because there is nothing like I need to. If you have to do it, there's nothing like I ought to, because then you bring in some aspect of guiltness, in disappointments in your life and so on. To move to the next level that is called the decision to change. This is where you've made a decision to change. For example, you say I never, or I no longer, is because you've made a decision to change. I never smoke, I no longer drink. So that's a decision that you've already made, that I'm in control of my life. Then that takes you to the next stage, which you say now I am. And this is where now you're saying you've already taken the decision. This is the better you. I am today this person because I chose to. I am today doing this because I have decided to. So this is the level where you need to be able to reach from your self-talk perspective. And the last level is it is, which is, this is the universal affirmation, that this is you are telling yourself that it is what I want to be. This is who I want to be. So you are not at the critical affirmation of positive self-talk, that you've accepted the positive change and you want to be that person. So these are the five levels that you need to move gradually from. Especially the first two you need to unlearn is the aspect of I can't, which is a negative acceptance, and I need to, I ought to, I should to, which is now the need for recognition to change, but you're not changing. And you move to the aspect of I never, I no longer do this, to I am and it is. So I hope I've added value to you. Choose what to talk to yourself. And if you want to learn more about it, there's a book by Shad Helmester that is called What to Say When You Talk to Yourself. You can be able to check it out and learn more. So thank you very much, and my name is Coach Gilbert.